So today we are doing we're going to shoot 7 targets with 4 Nerf guns. I might shoot more, I might shoot less, but anyways. So our first gun is the Trio EX-3, and I'm going to be shooting in 3, 2, 1. One last bullet. So, none. Okay. So our next one is the Jagger, or the Jaguar, and it's already cocked, and I can only shoot 2 because I have 2 loaded in here. Well, I shot 1. Okay, so none fell over. Now we got the Nerf Predator. I think this is a zombie strike. And, but, I don't know if I want to use the scope or not. I have 3 bullets. 1 is already loaded. Okay, I think that missed. Now we have a suction cup one. Now, our next one is going to be, I don't know how powerful it's going to be. This is a suction cup one. Yes! Got one. Last one. Okay, that one missed. So I got 1. Now, I don't know how many bullets are in here. I think there's 5. We have the Stampede. It's a big monster. And it's kind of uncomfortable to hold in your hands. Oh yeah, I forgot it's off. Weird. There we go. So now I only have 2 more bullets. That's odd. So the only one that shot 1 was the Nerf Predator. This is a Nerf rifle. It's actually really darn light. I mean, I'm not using any force right now. It's really light. But this, I gotta give it to this. This is the most powerful gun. in my whole Nerf collection. I mean, it's just like I guess it's a tiny gun, but it's the most powerful. Don't even hurt, cat. But basically, it's actually alright. It's actually a good gun, but it's a tiny gun, but it's the most powerful gun. But this thing is a huge beast when it comes to firing. When I was younger, when I got this was my most heaviest gun. This was my first gun, but it was so darn heavy. It still is just a little bit, but it's actually not bad. I mean, it's really easy. This one, the most weirdest looking one, has a nice cocker and a really nice feel to it. I love the style of the trigger. I guess this is supposed to be some type of a air gun or something. 'Cause, I mean, this one runs on air because I could feel air hitting my hand when nothing's in it. Like, I don't know if this one runs on air or not. I don't know which barrel it was coming out. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, if it made you cringe, you know what to do. If it didn't, I'd like you to reverse that and turn it into a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you would, and rock out. Keep gaming.